Hey friends, if the Salesforce app is not working on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, check the Salesforce server status. So, search for Salesforce server status on any browser or any search engine. Go to this status.salesforce.com website and check if you get a green tick here. If there is no green tick here, it means that there are ongoing incidents and you will have to wait. And you know what? Salesforce is an app which doesn't get bad easily. So usually the issue would be the browser. Now you cannot proceed with any app level troubleshooting because if you are accessing an app through its website, even if it's Gmail or Hotmail or any other online platform, then there is no app in between. There is no framework in between. It's directly the server and you. Now, the issue can only be with the browser. So, we will try for some browser level troubleshooting. First of all, clear the browser cache and cookies. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and history once again. Select delete browsing data, change the time range to all time and click on delete data. The next one is to enable cookies on the Chrome browser. How would you do that? Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Search for cookies. Okay, now go to site settings and then you get the option for third party cookies and then click on allow third party cookies. Okay, so this will allow third party cookies. The next one is to update Google Chrome to its latest version. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and about Chrome. It will start checking for updates and update it to the latest version. The last one is to isolate the case with extensions and add-ons. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Select manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension here, remove it. Now, one would ask, how do we know whether the extension is the problematic one? Use the hit and trial method. Disable it if it fixes the problem, which it means that extension is problematic, and then remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.